What is up, my easy ninjas? Today we are going to be reviewing the Star Wars The Black Series Boba Fett from Return of the Jedi. This is the Deluxe edition, the one that comes with a bunch of stuff. I wonder if Black Series will make a book of Boba Fett. I'm sure they will, and I'm pretty sure it'll be really cool. I mean, this one has knee rockets. But anyways, that's enough. So here we got Boba Fett in his box. So here we have the front of the box, looking all cool. It says Star Wars Return of the Jedi Boba Fett, Star Wars Black Series. Here we got one side of the box, and here we got another side of the box with some cool artwork of Boba Fett, looking all cool and badass. And here we have a quick read up on Boba Fett. I, of course, will give you 5 seconds to read that. Read it? Good. Now let's get this figure out of the box. Yeah. I cannot wait for the Book of Boba Fett series to come out this December on Disney Plus. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna need about a minute to get him out of the box. Boba Fett. So here is out of the packaging, guys, and let's take a look at his details. So first, his helmet, which looks really cool, all damaged and dirty. His little visor thing goes down too, just like Bo-Katan's. Very nice looking. The helmet, you could see it's been through battle. It's got probably a bullet or a blaster bolt hit here, maybe a few scratches, maybe from a lightsaber, probably from when he was hunting Jedi, who knows. We get more battle damage here, scratched up paint here, a sticker. I don't know what that sticker is for. And here we have a shoulder pad with more battle damage. And here we have some pedicles. We'll get to that later. And here we have his ripped up cape. Very cool. And here we have the Mandalorian symbol. God, I should know the lore for this. But yeah, this is for people who are officially Mandalorians. Like a creed symbol. And here we have his clothes with some nice sculpted wrinkles and some tubes here. Going down to one of his gauntlets. These are probably like some blasters on his gauntlets, maybe. Very cool looking. And on his other gauntlet, we got a wrist rocket. Very cool looking, so he could just shoot. And the blaster here, because why not? Or maybe something else. And we have a utility belt here full of pouches and stuff, probably for bombs or maybe med kits. And here we have the knee, so we got some sculpted wrinkles here. And we have some knee armor with the knee rockets, which he did fire in the second season of The Mandalorian. I mean, that scene was so badass. Oh, here we have this thing here. Shit. Wait, is it connected to him? And here we have these things. Were they? Maybe Padawan. These are probably Padawan hair. Who knows? I don't know what these are specifically. Maybe these are the braids from Jedi Padawan he's killed in the past. Maybe. And he has some feet here. Pretty cool colors down the middle. And the bottom. Not much going on. Wait. Nah, don't tell me. Don't tell me he has blasters even on his toes. But overall, this is a very well detailed figure. Very cool looking. And I gotta say, this is a really great looking figure. So now let's move on to his accessories, shall we? Moving on to his accessories, we got a bunch of stuff with this Boba Fett Deluxe Edition figure. So we'll start here first. So first we get his cool looking jetpack. Very nicely colored. And the little thrusters could move as well. And the way you get on these 3 pegs, you just align it with these 3 holes, like so. There we go. It's on there nice and tight. And we have a rocket that actually shoots. Well, it doesn't actually shoot, but you could put it on and remove it. We get his cool looking rockets to try and reenact that scene from The Mandalorian where he locked the missile and he shot the rocket. So very cool looking. Next, we have a grappling hook. So here we have a grappling hook here with some actual string and a little cuff for him to put on his wrist. I'm not sure if it goes on his right wrist or his left. I just put it anywhere and I'm sure you'll find something. Yeah, here he is with a grappling hook. I mean, he doesn't really need it, but hey man, if you like it, whatever floats your boat. For me, it's a little loose. This is the weakest of all the accessories, in my opinion. I mean, it's pretty okay, but I think I could have done without. But it's there and it's whatever. Next we have his gun. He comes with 2 of them. First we get this one, which he could hold quite well, I think. Although I'm not sure how he's supposed to hold the trigger. I don't know, but this is his gun and it looks really cool, all rusted and weathered. Yep, this is definitely Boba Fett's gun. Next, we have this version where it was slicing, where Luke cut it in half in Return of the Jedi. It has a little peg here, but I don't think you can really connect it. I mean, you could kind of connect it, but not all the way. But yeah, it's the gun that's been cut in half. Pretty cool looking. So yeah, we got that. And here we have 3 flame effects, which are definitely the highlights of his accessories. So first we got these 2 smaller ones that are the same. And the way you get them on here is you put them in the thrusters of his jetpack. You just screw it in there. There we go. There's one. Screw the other one in there. Give it a good little twist. There we go. Boba Fett's jetpack with some flame effects, which looks very, very cool. So yeah, there we go. We got Boba Fett with the flame thrusters for his jetpack. Really cool looking. And next we have this one, really big flame effect, and the colors just look amazing. It goes from a yellow to a brightish orange all the way down to a red, and it's sculpted very nicely, like a flamethrower. Very nice details on it. And the way you get this on is quite simple. So see this big chunk of plastic here with the 2 holes? Well, this thing has a little peg hole in it. And the way you connect it is like this. I'm not sure if I have it right side up or upside down. Either way, this is the basic idea. The flamethrower coming out of his wrist, which just looks straight up badass. That is undeniably cool. And I think I found a pretty cool thumbnail pic. But anyways, that's it for his accessories. Now let's move on to his articulation. Moving on to his articulation, let's go start from head to toe. So first his little antenna thing moves back and up and down to his visor. He could look up, not much really. He could look down pretty much all the way. Pretty good movement looking down. Head pivots, he has a little bit of that. He could do 360 with his head. For his arms, they could go out to the side about this much. For his elbows, they could bend at a 90-degree angle. And the thing between his elbows can move too. It's pretty neat. So yeah, we get an elbow swivel here. Elbows that could bend at 90 degrees. Single jointed elbows that bend back 90 degrees. Bit of a wrist swivel here, although you'll get more range with this one. And wrist hinge, like always. Okay. With the splits, he could do about this much. Not all the way, but pretty good. Next, he has some swivel here, a thigh swivel. Very nice. He could kick. He could kick forward, but it kicks out to the side for some reason. For kicking back, he can't kick back very much. Double joint knee. Let's see. Oh, I think he might have single jointed knees, but they're stiff. We got a knee swivel as well. Crazy, but cool. Knee swivel, single jointed knee that bends back a good amount, and ankle articulation, which bends all the way down. Could go up a pretty decent amount, and pretty nice ankle pivot. It looks like he could break his own ankle. But anyways, that's the articulation, and like I said, he has some pretty good articulation for a Boba Fett figure. Now let's move on to final thoughts. So for final thoughts, this figure easily 11 out of 10. Absolutely great paint work all throughout the armor, all throughout the body. Amazing accessories. Well, except for the grappling hook. I mean, I could have done without. They could have given him something else. I don't know, maybe like a firing effect for his blaster, but I mean, it is what it is. It's whatever. But yeah, it has great accessories, amazing articulation, great posability. It's hands down probably one of the best figures I have ever gotten. Man, this is such a cool figure and such a great character too. Now you're probably wondering where did I get this figure? Well, obviously at Wayne's Pop Culture Collectibles. I will try to put their information in the description below. But that's about it for today's videos, guys. If you did enjoy it, be sure to hit the like, comment down below what you think of this video, and subscribe to the channel if you hadn't already. And I'll see you guys next time.